Hello, everyone. If you love quick, simple meals that still feel special, you're going to love today's video. Omelets are one of the easiest dishes in the world, but with just a few small tweaks, they can turn into something completely new every time. So whether you want something classic, cheesy, extra fluffy, or even cloud-like, I've got you covered today. Welcome to Cooking Show at Home. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss more easy and delicious recipes every week. All right, let's start cooking. Omelet number 1. Classic French omelet. Let's begin with the easiest one, the classic French omelet. All you need is eggs and a little butter to grease the pan. Crack 3 eggs, for 1 serving, into a mixing bowl. Season with a pinch of salt, and using a fork, no mixer or whisk needed, beat the eggs until no visible egg white remains. Heat an 8 to 10 inch non-stick pan over medium heat and grease it well with butter, including the sides. Pour in the egg mixture. Use a spatula to gently push the cooked edges inward, allowing the raw egg to flow underneath. Try to keep the edges clean and smooth. Once the omelet is mostly set, roll it up gently or simply fold it in half. Slide it onto a plate, adjust the shape if needed, and optionally garnish with diced scallions and freshly crushed black pepper. Serve immediately, optionally with salad greens like arugula. Enjoy this tidy little package of finesse and delicacy. Omelet number 2, cheese and scallion omelet. The second variation is almost the same, but with grated cheese and scallions added. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Beat them with a fork, and add about 1 tablespoon of diced scallions. Cook the omelet the same way in a buttered non-stick pan over medium heat. When it's about halfway done and the top is still moist, add 2 tablespoons of grated cheese of your choice. Today I'm using sharp cheddar. Instead of rolling it, fold 1/2 over the cheese, and you can fold it once more for a thicker shape. Cook for another 20 seconds, turn off the heat, and slide onto a plate. Serve with greens if you like, and finish with black pepper to taste. Omelet number 3, Mother Poulard omelet. The third version is the famous Mother Poulard omelet, known since the late 19th century for its extreme fluffiness and cloud-like texture. And it's still very beginner-friendly. For this one, you'll separate the eggs. I'm making 2 servings, so I'm using 6 eggs. Separate the whites and yolks into 2 bowls. To the whites, add a pinch of salt, about 1/2 teaspoon, lemon juice, black pepper to taste. Now whip the whites vigorously using a whisk or mixer until stiff, airy peaks form. To the yolks, add 1/2 cup milk or cream and beat with a fork. Cook the yolks first in a buttered non-stick pan over medium heat until just set. Then spread the whipped whites over the yolk layer and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the foam is cooked through. Fold it in half like a sandwich and serve right away. Enjoy this incredible fluffy omelet. Omelet number 4, extra fluffy, stabilized omelet. And finally, the 4th version, a fluffy and more stable omelet made with a little flour, milk, and mayonnaise. Start with 6 eggs, 2 servings, cracked into a mixing bowl. No separation needed. Beat with a fork or whisk, then add a pinch of salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon all-purpose flour. The flour acts as a stabilizer and helps prevent the eggs from turning into a scrambled mess. Mix well to avoid lumps. If needed, strain through a sieve. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons mayonnaise for extra creaminess. Diced scallions. ½ cup milk. Pour the mixture into a well-buttered, non-stick pan. Start with high heat briefly, then once the edges begin to set, reduce the heat to very low. Cover with a lid, and cook gently for about 15 minutes without opening the lid. A glass lid helps you see when it's fully set. Avoid overcooking so the omelet stays moist and tender. Serve it without folding and garnish with fresh dill if desired. Enjoy this extra fluffy version while it's still hot. And there you have it, 4 delicious omelet variations, all starting from the same basic recipe, but each one tasting completely different. Let me know in the comments, which omelet was your favorite? The classic French style, the cheesy version, the famous Mother Poulard cloud omelet, or the extra fluffy stabilized one? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe to Cooking Show at Home for more quick, simple, and flavorful recipes from around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye and happy cooking.